Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
You can often quiet a noisy washer yourself. First, make sure the washer is level. Uneven feet cause most vibrations. Check the drum for loose items like coins or buttons. Balancing the load and cleaning the filters also reduce noise. For tougher fixes, worn shock absorbers or drum bearings might need tightening or replacement, but these take some DIY skill.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.